Look down there, it says green. Alright. Oh, so do a quick intro.
Yeah, I can do. I can just do this for stills. Oh, we're doing this as a short, aren't we? Stand by.
Welcome back to the channel, folks. Big day today. We're changing the battery on the Range Rover. Ta-da! This is a Yuasa 5000. It's the right one for the vehicle. Got it from Halfords. 5-year guarantee. Any problems in 5 years, you take it back. Look down there. Green, okay. Recharge is a lightning sign, and then replace is a green cross. But we're all good there.
So what happens is this little thing changes?
Yeah.
All right, cool. That's fancy, isn't it?
Oh yeah. It's a big old bird.
Where is it then?
No. I need to take those off. I might need your hand with the.
What?
I want your hand doing the struts.
Oh.
I'm going to put the.
Yeah, I know. We tried that before. I wasn't very good at it. Right, anyway. This is the one that's... It's kind of coming to the end of its time on the L322. We've had to jump start the car with the old TopDon a few times, haven't we?
What?
I'm just saying to our wonderful viewers that we've had to jump start the L322 with the TopDon a few times. So that's...
Also, thank you to all the new subscribers.
Yes.
Obviously, we've got the new Focus video at the minute, which is doing quite well. Pull this pin out.
Yeah.
Right.
So I just hold it?
Yeah, you hold it.
Right, got it.
And this puts it into service mode. I'll just move this.
Yeah.
And it clips on there.
Okay.
For safety.
Yeah.
And then it gives you more
access.
Yeah. And for extra safety, I'll show you doing this one. Look.
Yeah.
I've just never been hardly used that. Oh.
Do you need me holding the bonnet at all? Or?
No. Cool. Because we've got one on there. Put on that to move it down. There you go. That is now safe.
Cool.
We've got under this and this that hold the battery in.
Right.
Take the terminals off.
Yeah.
Put the new one in.
Yeah.
That's it.
Job's good.
First of all, we'll do a test of the battery. Right, clips out of the way.
Mhm. Oh, that's handy.
One. Oh, I'll turn it on first. Put it onto volts. Onto 20. So that's not brilliant.
No, isn't it meant to be 14 something?
No, 40 minutes charging.
Right.
But it should be well over 12.
Oh, okay.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
But it's not brilliant.
No. Hence, we're changing it.
Yeah. So we'll do these first. With a 10mm.
Yep.
You keep the battery secure. That's an MOT failure as well.
Ah.
Yeah, we've had this car for what, 4 years now?
Yeah.
The battery's been pretty good, but a few times, like Emma said, it hasn't started the car, so we use a TopDon
Yeah.
JS3000.
Yes.
Not sponsored
No.
yet. So I thought it was time. Ooh. There you go, that's what the stay looks like. So that clamps onto the battery, and that clamps down.
Oh.
Might work actually, get a little Hoover in here.
Might it?
Yeah,
Is that a job for me?
that's a job for the pops.
Is that another stay?
Yes, there's 2 there.
Stay.
Stay. Yeah, I think they're bigger, so I think they're meant to be like a 13 or something. No, what's that one there? That's a 12. Maybe it's a 13. There we go. Lovely. There we go. He's off. Might get a cloth as well, actually, so we can give the terminals a good clean.
Yep.
There we go. Right, here we go. There's a handle, good. Oh.
No rust, no corrosion. That's what we
Just
like.
got to be careful when you put it in, not to catch any of these wires.
Right, Rather you than me, and that's why you are doing it, aren't they?
As battery trays go, it's very clean.
Oh, wow.
Because sometimes you can get acid leaking out, and it's an MOT failure if it's not secure.
Yeah.
This one's really good.
Right, what are you doing? Taking covery things off? Yeah. I will put a link or a screenshot of the Halfords one.
Also, Halfords will charge you £30 for doing this.
Yes. We figured we'd save the 30.
Right, let's see what this one's on. Look, that's high already.
Oh, yeah.
And that's, God knows the last time that was charged. Don't I? In fact, how many are?
I don't want to. If you're struggling, there's no way I can lift it.
I might need you here.
Yeah.
I might not need you, but I just want to just keep those out of the way on your hands.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now. Lovely. Right, so first of all, let's get the positive on. Lovely new battery. Then you put the cover back on, the safety cover. Right, you should hear some noises now.
From?
Battery going on. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hear that slight noise?
I could, yeah. The camera won't have picked it up over the wind.
Right, that's all nice and tight.
Breeze. Oh, I can hear a little knock, knock, knock. Is that this, or was that somebody doing something on one of the farms?
No, it's not here. That's definitely positive, that's definitely negative, yes. No, that's it. That's it. Just put the stays back. Get it in a central. Put that one on roughly. Right, that's it. That looks safe-ish. It ain't going nowhere. Cool. Now the biggie.
Will it start?
It'll start. Well, it will go ping, 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 ping. Here we go. Home menu. Settings. Well, sounds alright. Right, what we'll do is then we'll put the bonnet down, then we'll come in and we'll do, well, it doesn't seem like it needs resetting.
No, it doesn't.
Sweet. Right, so new battery on. Should be at 14 or so. Yes.
Lovely.
Charging lovely.
Yeah.
So it's like 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah, about that. Yeah.
So yeah, all done and save 30 quid. New battery. If they go for a drive and make sure there's no warning lights, so have a quick look. Got the old iCarsoft out. Not sponsored. Yeah, so look, this routine will reset stored internal battery monitoring data is required when a battery is replaced. Press OK to confirm.
Cool.
F2. So set the ignition switch to on position 2, which that is.
Yeah.
Press OK. Communicating, please wait. I was hoping this had that. Set the ignition switch to off. OK. Set the ignition to on. OK. Erase the fault code, so there's no anyway. Complete.
Ta-da!
That's it. So now.
Well done, Rangey.
Starts lovely. And we reset it as well. So we told the car it's got a new battery. I'm not sure if Halfords do that for you. I imagine they do. That's part of 30 quid. But if you've got your own diagnostic, just save yourself 30 quid.
Yeah, absolutely.
So like and subscribe. Thank you very much again to all our new subscribers. Very humbled. I'm amazed all the time that you lot watch this. Yeah, thank you very much. And it's a thank you from
me.
Lots more to come on the Focus.
Yeah.
Lots more. Can you see the Focus in the background?
No.
Good. You can't see.
No, you can't.
But yeah,
I've got a camera.
Keep your eyes peeled. Turn on the notifications so when a new video comes out, it'll do you proud, Governor.
It will.
Bye.
Bye.
Got to undo these two. Got to undo these two, which are the stays.
Oh, sorry, just.
Got to undo these two, which are the stays. Undo these two.
I'm really sorry. Can you just start again? This thing so makes my arms longer. What's the thing called?
Pull.
Yeah.
Might not be as short.
Yeah, I was just thinking that, and I filmed it all in portrait.